Plastic Model Builders. Hello, it's me, Ari Stone with Plastic Model Builder. And what we have here is the Tamiya M4 Sherman early production in 1/48 scale. This model right here, it comes with a die-cast base. You can see it right here. I have these unpainted in case I want to remove this. It is held on by screws. Right there, one hole here, one over here. This one is covered. The model features a movable barrel right here. The turret spins. The tracks are static. However, if you want to make them mobile, you probably can if you wanted to buy some aftermarket tracks, as the wheels do move on this. So this is a wonderful kit for a 1/48 scale. Has decent detail on it. We have our little gun right here that can also move. You can make the hatches open and close, but there isn't much to see inside, so it's probably best to just make the model like this. I have this weathered, so it has wonderful weathering on it. Looks very realistic. Decals go on great. That's about all I can say for this model. Not a lot to it. Simple 1/48 scale Sherman. I recommend it. Great price, wonderful kit. You can make these things look pretty and get your model making madness on. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. And as always, until next time, see ya.